English Listening Podcasts. Today, we talk about confidence, but not the loud confidence, not the fake confidence, real confidence. And here is the first truth. You do not need to feel ready. Most people wait. They say, "When I feel ready, I will start. When I feel confident, I will speak. When I feel strong, I will go." But life does not work like that. Confidence is not the price you pay before action. Confidence is the reward you get after action. So if you are waiting, you are stuck. Let me explain with one simple idea. Confidence is evidence. Your brain asks one question. Do I have proof that I can do this? If the answer is no, you feel fear. If the answer is yes, you feel calm. So the goal is not feel confident. The goal is collect evidence. Small evidence, daily evidence. Now, how do we collect evidence? We use tiny reps. A rep is one small action, one small proof. Example, you want confidence in speaking English. Do 1 minute speaking. That is a rep. You want confidence in the gym. Do 5 push-ups. That is a rep. You want confidence in business. Send 1 message. That is a rep. This sounds too small, but small is the point, because small reps are easy to repeat, and repetition creates identity. Now here is the second truth. Confidence comes from exposure. If you avoid something, it becomes bigger. If you face something, it becomes smaller. So we build an exposure ladder. A ladder has steps. You do not jump to the top. You start with step 1. Let's do an example. If you are scared to post online, step 1, write a short note, do not post. Step 2, post a simple story. Step 3, post a short video with no face. Step 4, post a video with your face for 10 seconds. Step 5, post a full video. Slow steps, safe steps, but always forward. This is how confidence grows. Now the third truth, you need an identity sentence. Because on hard days, you will not feel ready. You will not feel motivated. You will feel heavy. So you need a calm sentence to guide you. For example, I am the kind of person who shows up. Or, I do hard things slowly. Or, I keep promises to myself. When you feel fear, you say it once. Then you do 1 small rep. Not big, not perfect, just 1 rep. Now, let's talk about a common mistake. People try to build confidence with thinking. They watch videos, they plan, they read, they imagine. Learning is good, planning is good, but confidence does not come from imagination. It comes from action. So the question is not, how do I feel better? The question is, what is the smallest action I can do right now? Small action creates evidence. Evidence creates confidence. Now, I want to give you a simple rule. When you feel not ready, do this. Lower the bar, then start. Lower the bar means make it smaller. If you can't work for 1 hour, do 10 minutes. If you can't do 10 minutes, just open the document. Because the goal is not the big result today. The goal is to keep the chain. Now, I will give you a 24-hour challenge. This is your confidence builder. For the next 24 hours, do 3 things. 1, choose 1 skill you want confidence in. Just 1. 2, define 1 small rep, a rep that takes 5 minutes or less. 3, do that rep today and do it again tomorrow. That's it. 2 days, 2 reps, 2 proofs. And here is the magic. After 2 reps, your brain says, maybe I can. After 10 reps, your brain says, I can. Now, let's do short shadowing practice. Repeat after me. Sentence 1. Confidence is evidence. Sentence 2. I do not need to feel ready. Sentence 3. I start small, I repeat daily. Sentence 4. I face fear with small steps. Sentence 5. I keep promises to myself. Sentence 6. Today I do 1 rep. Good. Now my CTA, my simple call to action. If you want, write your 24-hour challenge in a note. Skill, my small rep, then do it today. And if this episode helped you, save it, share it, and come back tomorrow, because confidence is built daily, not in one big moment. Thank you for listening.